Welcome to the Sounds of Nature. I'm your host, Charlene Armitage, and I would like you to join me as we experience the beauty and majesty of the world around us. Nature is such a wonderful thing, and it's a thing that we are, as a society, moving further and further away from. And I hope that with this segment we can really just genuflect and see the beauty of nature that is around us always. I am currently in the process of becoming a certified park ranger of the greater New England area, and I will be guiding us probably a good half mile into the woods around here as we seek to discover and truly just relish the vast beauty of nature around us, because it is beautiful. It is something to behold. I will be heading out into the very bosom of Mother Nature, and let me say, what a bosom it is. And we will just be sitting down. I will be there with you, guiding you both through the woods and through this emotional journey. So I'd like you to join me as we experience and truly genuflect on the sounds of nature. Nice bird there. Oh, further in here. Yeah, it's a bee. Hold on. Oh, sorry, I'm just passing through your domain here, Mr. B. Pardon me if I could just... Thank you. Deep in the heart. There's another bee right next to me. Oh, man. Welcome back. Amazingly, if not astoundingly, I was asked to come back and give you guys another segment of the sounds of nature. I'm Charlene Armitage, and while I gave you guys the beauty and splendor of daytime and the animals, both cute and scary, there, I want to change things up a little bit and give you some real ambionic sounds of the wondrous night time. I would ask that you put on your safety belts, because now we're going at least a healthy mile into the woods. So I would ask you, please stay with your park ranger. I'm not a park ranger yet, but I'm getting closer. Nature is still such a wonderful gift that we have, and we need to share it. And I have my nature around me, and maybe you have your nature around you. Maybe it doesn't sound like the nature I have around me, but that's okay, because nature is here for us. We just need to appreciate the nature that we have. So I ask you to join me once again as we listen to the sounds of nature. Kind of dark. Oh. Hold on. Did you hear that? What? Hello. If anyone ever finds this, it's Charlene Armitage. I'm currently on the run in the greater New England area woods, being followed by a creature of insurmountable size and power. It appears to be multi-legged, having a thorax and abdomen of some kind. It also seems to have some kind of humanoid torso, some kind of arachnid head.